In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Figma design into a Shopify theme. This can be an incredibly handy skill to have, whether you're a designer looking to expand your abilities or a developer aiming to fine-tune the user experience of your e-commerce site. Transforming your Figma design into a Shopify theme can sound daunting at first, but with the right approach, it becomes much more manageable. So, let's jump right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, ensure that your Figma design is perfectly finalized before you start the conversion process. This means checking that all components, layers, and design elements are exactly where you want them to be. Make any necessary adjustments, as once we start the coding process, you'll want to have everything locked in place. Now that your design is airtight, prepare your Figma assets. This involves exporting all the images, fonts, and icons that you'll need for your Shopify theme. Figma makes this easy by allowing you to export directly from your design file. Be sure to select the appropriate file types for your images, such as PNG or JPEG, depending on the use case. Next, we need to set up our Shopify development environment. If you haven't already, create a Shopify partner account and create a development store. This will serve as the perfect sandbox for testing your theme without affecting any live sites. Once that's set up, download the Shopify theme kit. This will serve as our tool for uploading themes to the store. Install it according to the instructions provided on Shopify's website and generate an API key when prompted. With your development environment ready, let's dive into coding. Open your code editor and start building the HTML structure based on your Figma layout. Shopify themes are primarily structured using Liquid, which is Shopify's templating language. Get comfortable with the basic Liquid syntax and understand how it interacts with HTML and CSS. Use your Figma design as a visual guide to ensure everything lines up correctly. Focus first on the home page or whichever section of the theme is most important. Once the structure is in place, start styling it with CSS. Pay careful attention to styling consistency as you translate your design to code. This step often involves a bit of trial and error, but take your time to match the fonts, colors, and spacing as closely as possible to your Figma file. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless transition from design to web. Utilize Shopify's Theme Inspector tool to help you refine your CSS. When the HTML and CSS are good to go, integrate the necessary JavaScript and Shopify-specific components. This includes setting up dynamic content like product displays, carts, and checkouts. Review Shopify's documentation to understand how Liquid can be leveraged to integrate these features seamlessly. Before we wrap up, test your theme thoroughly on different devices and browsers to ensure everything is responsive and functions as intended. Once your theme is polished and ready, use the Shopify theme kit to upload it to your development store. Go through a final review, and when you're satisfied, you can deploy your theme to a live Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Figma design into a Shopify theme. Take pride in the fusion of design and code you've created, knowing it's exactly how you envisioned it from start to finish. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself mastering this process with ease. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. See you in the next video.